गरीब आनी गरज आसलेल्या लोकांक जेवण मेळचें म्हूण म्हापशें पुलीस स्टेशनान एक खाशेले उपक्रम राबयला. म्हापशें पुलीस स्टेशनान फूड बँक चालू केला. घरान उरलेलें जेवण लोकांनी हांगासर हाडून दिवचें, जेवण पेड्यार करचें न्ही अशें आव्हान पुलिसेन लोकांक केलां. हांगासर हाडून दिल्लें जेवण फूड बँकाचे मनीस गरीब आनी गरज आसलेल्यांक व्हरून दितले. दिसाची 24 वरां ही सेवा चालू आसतली.
Put a fridge in Mapsa police station. This fridge will accept food packaged form. It will be open 24 hours. If you have any food in Mapsa city, like you're having any wedding, function, temple, any function anywhere, you can drop your food here in plastic bag or in silver foil. And there is a number here. You can inform us. In the morning, we will come and take the food. If the police feel that there is some genuine poor person on the street who requires that food, the police people can also hand over the food to the concerned poor hungry people on the street. So please don't waste your food.